All right, so here we are out here bird watching. Emily, what did you find today in today's search?
There's a wood duck out there. You should just see its bright green helmet, its red eye, and everything else. It's so cool.
Was it just one male wood duck?
No, there's a female too. Male and female mean like boy and girl.
Mm-hmm. And they're out there, huh?
Yeah, they're way out there. You can't really see them that well, but see those ducks out there? The wood duck would be the farthest one out.
Okay, and what other ducks are out there, or waterfowl?
There's ringneck ducks and some buffleheads. We've suspected that one of the buffleheads was a baby.
Mm-hmm. Cool. Anything else you want to tell folks?
Well, there's obviously a bunch of cormorants sitting on those posts over there.
Yeah. All right. Well, this has been fun bird watching, huh?
Yep.
All right, see y'all later.
Yep.